Imagine a world where the United States leads in both cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. President Trump has just taken a massive step toward making that vision a reality by appointing a new AI and crypto czar. But who is this key figure, and what does this position mean for the future of tech in America? Stick around, because today we're diving into this groundbreaking announcement and how it could shape the global tech landscape. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Bitboy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all of the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the Bitboy. If you're as excited as I am to unpack President Trump's latest move to position the US at the forefront of crypto and AI innovation, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. It will not hit back. Now let's explore what's happening and why it's a game changer for the crypto and AI space. In his first week back in office, President Trump has wasted no time setting his administration's priorities. He signed an executive order designed to position the United States as a global leader in both cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. Central to this effort is the appointment of David Sacks as the nation's first ever AI and crypto czar. This role signals a clear commitment to not just participating in the tech race, but dominating it. David Sacks brings an impressive resume to the table. Many know him from his pivotal role as COO of PayPal during its formative years, where he helped revolutionize online payments. After PayPal, Sacks founded Yammer, a workplace social network that was eventually acquired by Microsoft for $1.2 billion. His investment portfolio reads like a who's who of tech giants, including early stakes in Facebook, Uber, SpaceX, Palantir, and Airbnb. With Sacks at the helm, this administration's focus on AI and crypto isn't just symbolic, it's strategic. Trump's executive order aims to integrate blockchain and artificial intelligence into the very fabric of America's economic and national security systems. This isn't just about innovation for the sake of innovation, though. It's about ensuring the US stays ahead of geopolitical competitors like China, which has already made significant strides in digital currency and AI development. By investing in these technologies now, the administration is signaling that the US intends to shape the future of finance, technology, and even national defense. The timing of this announcement is no coincidence. Cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence are no longer niche technologies, but they're becoming critical infrastructure. From blockchain-based payment systems to AI-driven analytics, these tools are reshaping how industries operate. Trump's executive order prioritizes research, development, and regulation in a way that fosters growth while maintaining security and consumer protection. The goal? Well, it's to attract top talent and investment, ensuring that innovation thrives on American soil. This appointment and executive order have far-reaching implications. Sacks' track record in both technology and policy positions him to drive meaningful changes. His reputation for fostering innovation while keeping bureaucracy at bay could create an environment where blockchain and AI can flourish without unnecessary regulatory hurdles. Trump's focus on making the US a leader in crypto and AI is a clear challenge to nations like China, which have aggressively pursued digital currency projects and AI research. For investors and crypto enthusiasts, this development is monumental. When one of the world's most influential economies commits to crypto and AI at a national level, it's not just a vote of confidence. It's a signal that these technologies are foundational to the future. And this could accelerate adoption, fuel institutional interest, and pave the way for regulatory clarity, all of which are critical for market growth. That's what we need. That's how the markets move. So here's the bottom line. President Trump's executive order and the appointment of David Sacks as AI and crypto czar marks a defining moment for the tech world. This isn't just a headline. It's a roadmap for how the US plans to lead in blockchain and artificial intelligence. With Sacks' expertise and Trump's bold vision, the future of crypto and AI has never looked more promising. What's your take on this groundbreaking development? Will the US emerge as the global hub for crypto and AI innovation? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that noti bell so you stay plugged into the Bit Squad. That's all I got. Be blessed. Bitboy out.